Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix Instagram story music not working. If you want to use the Instagram story music feature, but it's not working because of a glitch, one of these quick tips will likely get you back to posting your content. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First method we will do is to check is your Instagram app updated. So to check it, go on Play Store or App Store, then write Instagram on search bar and go on it. After that, if on this blue button is written update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds to find this update, and go to see if it works now. If this method doesn't working, I will show you second method. So the second method is to clear all old data from Instagram app. You will do that by going on Settings app. Next on search bar type apps, and go on it. You will come on this menu, and next you need to do is to click on Manage Apps. Now you need to find an Instagram. You can find Instagram by scrolling down to find it, or you can go an easiest way, by tapping Instagram on search bar and go on it. On this menu you need to clear data by tapping on little eraser and then click on clear all data, and now go to see if this method working. If it doesn't working, watch this third method. So the third method is to open Instagram and go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next click on first option, Settings and Privacy. This will open the side menu, and you need to scroll on the bottom of the screen, then click on Help option. After that, we need to report a problem by tapping on first option called like that. Then click on Include and Continue. On this way we are contact Instagram team directly and explain our issue to them. You can write something like this and send to Instagram. You need to wait a couple of days to Instagram solve your problem, and on that way you are fixed this problem. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.